Hello makers and DIY enthusiasts. Today we are building a stylish and powerful wooden Bluetooth speaker using recycled parts from an old cassette player and a Bluetooth decoder board. Instead of throwing away old electronics, we can transform them into something useful, modern, and amazing looking. In this project, we will combine vintage speaker parts with modern Bluetooth technology to create a custom portable sound system with USB, FM radio, TF card, and AUX support. Let's start building. First, we carefully disassemble the old cassette player and remove the speakers. Make sure not to damage the speaker cones or wires. These vintage speakers often produce warm and surprisingly rich sound quality. Check the speaker impedance and condition before installation. Next, we prepare the wooden enclosure, measure the size of the speakers and the Bluetooth decoder board. Now we assemble the wooden speaker box. Apply wood glue on the edges and secure the panels using screws or clamps. Then mark the positions for speaker holes USB and control panel opening, power switch, charging port, or power input. A wooden enclosure improves sound resonance and gives the speaker a premium, handcrafted appearance. Allow the enclosure to dry completely before installing the electronics. You can sand the wood for a smoother finish or apply varnish or paint for a more professional look. Once the box is ready, mount the speakers into the front panel. Secure them tightly using screws to avoid vibrations and rattling during playback. Proper sealing also improves bass performance. Now comes the exciting part. Wiring the Bluetooth decoder board. Connect left and right speaker outputs. Power input terminals, switch and power supply. This Bluetooth 5.0 decoder board supports wireless Bluetooth audio, USB playback, TF card music, FM radio, AUX input. Carefully follow the wiring labels printed on the module. Moment of truth. Power on the speaker and connect your smartphone via Bluetooth. Play your favorite music and test the sound quality. You should hear clear audio with strong volume coming from the recycled cassette player speakers. And there you have it. A beautiful DIY wooden Bluetooth speaker made from recycled electronics and simple materials. This project is affordable, eco-friendly, and a great way to learn basic woodworking and electronics. Thank you for joining this DIY build. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative DIY ideas, electronics projects, and upcycling tutorials. See you in the next build.